Hundreds, if not thousands, of protesters gather at the Colorado state capitol, demonstrating against the Supreme Court's ruling 6-3 to overturn Roe v. Wade, the landmark 1973 ruling that established their right to abortion. This was the scene outside of the U.S. Supreme Court. Shortly after that decision, people from both sides there, along with heavily armored police. There are a lot of questions tonight about what this ruling means and how it will impact Colorado. Earlier this year, Governor Polis signed into law the Reproductive Health Equity Act, which codifies unrestricted access to abortion in our state. It also prevents local governments from banning procedures to limiting access to contraceptives. So nothing changes here in Colorado in response to the Supreme Court's ruling. However, 13 states, including Colorado's neighbors Utah and Wyoming, have trigger laws, meaning abortion could be restricted immediately following this ruling. Abortion bans in other states could cause an influx of patients seeking care here in our state. And something we are already seeing since Texas established stricter abortion access rules. More and more women come into Colorado for services. Tori Mason with more on this story tonight for us. And Tori, while the rules haven't changed, patients could notice some changes.
Yeah, Karen, and Planned Parenthood here in Colorado says they're fortunate to be able to offer these services, but it's a huge task. I spoke to a woman today who's opening up her own home to people out of state who need help.
Supporters of reproductive rights are stopping traffic as some states stop decades of progress.
Devastating, absolutely devastating.
Christina Wood is an OB anesthesiologist. She's never seen a woman take termination lightly.
I work in an operating room where I've seen women risk their lives being pregnant.
While Colorado protects the right to an abortion, decisions of neighboring states could impact services offered here.
Cancer screening, wellness exams, birth control.
Dr. Christina Tochi at Planned Parenthood says out-of-state patients are lining up.
That saturates a lot of the appointment availability, and the appointment wait times have gone up for local patients and traveling patients.
And they've been preparing. Meanwhile, Wood's preparing her home to welcome women who need care.
I will pay for their travel expenses to get where they are coming from and where they need to go. I will pay for their termination services, anything that they need.
She's here with her mother, who's now marching a second time.
My choice! My choice!
It's become a tradition they don't want to pass down.
I don't want to tell my granddaughter that I had more rights than she does. That's just not acceptable to me.
Now, Wood is one of many Coloradans who have already opened up their homes. Women in some states have already had their appointments canceled, and now they're scrambling to find one. We're live in Denver. Tori Mason covering Colorado First.